In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Gantt view. Whether you're a project manager or part of a dynamic team, mastering the Gantt view will streamline your project tracking and visualization capabilities in Asana. So, let's dive in. First, open up your Asana account and select the specific project you want to visualize in the Gantt view. Double check that you're working within the correct workspace or team to ensure that you're accessing the right project data. Once your project is open, locate the Timeline tab at the top of your project interface. That's your way into the Gantt chart-style view. Clicking on Timeline will transform your list of tasks into a visual spread across a calendar, helping you spot overlaps, delays, and scheduled tasks at a glance. Before you can see anything on this timeline, make sure your project tasks have both start dates and due dates. Without these, tasks simply won't appear on the Gantt chart. Assigning these dates anchors the task to specific points along your timeline, providing a more organized overview of what needs to be done and when. Now let's bring your Gantt chart to life by adjusting the task bars on the chart. You can drag and drop these bars to change start and end dates, adjust the task duration, or simply reorder them for visual clarity. It's a hands-on way of managing your timeline and a great tool for maintaining flexibility in scheduling. Creating dependencies is another powerful tool at your disposal. By hovering over a taskbar, you'll notice a small dot appear at its edge. Drag this dot to another task to set a dependency, like ensuring task B won't start until task A is completed. This feature is indispensable for tracking task order and preventing potential bottlenecks. To add another layer of organization, consider grouping and color-coding your tasks. Use sections or custom fields within your project to group tasks logically. Colors can help too. For instance, you might use blue for design tasks or green for marketing initiatives. These visual cues grant immediate clarity and make your timeline more readable. For a better view of your project scope, you can zoom in or out of the Gantt chart. Depending on the project, adjust your timeline view to days, weeks, months, or even quarters. This flexibility allows you to tailor the view to the scale of your project. Finally, track your progress efficiently by using milestones. These diamond icons are perfect for marking key deadlines and give an immediate visual cue of your project's progress. A quick scan of your chart will help you spot overlaps or delays and monitor dependencies so you're prepared for any impact that a delay might have on your interconnected tasks. By following these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging Asana's Gantt view to its full potential, making your project management not only effective,